And it's me again. Want to add a little sparkle to your kids' wear designs in CLO3D? Today, we'll create a foil glitter star step by step. Fast, easy, and totally fabulous. Look at that shimmer. You'll learn this effect in just 5 minutes. I already have a finished outfit loaded. Today, we're focusing on the skirt areas. Let's get started. Step number 1. Open Photoshop. I'm going to use this star image, but you can use any image you like. We don't want the white background, so first, select the Magic Wand tool, click on the white area, and hit delete. Then, save the image as a PNG file. Here is the design magic. Step number 2. Go to Google and type Normal Map Online. I'll provide the link in the description. Normal Map Online is a free, browser-based tool that lets you easily convert images into normal maps for 3D texturing. It's especially useful in CLO3D. Click Select Image and upload your texture. Once uploaded, your image will automatically turn into a normal map and displacement map. You'll see the preview, super easy. Now you can play with the settings. Adjust intensity, detail, or invert the depth to fit your design. Use the preview below to check how your texture will look in 3D. I don't want to change the settings. I'll keep them as they are. Click All to download your normal and displacement map. Now it's ready to import into CLO3D. Go to the property editor. Select your fabric. I'll stick with a chiffon fabric for the base. First, head to the Graphic 2D Pattern tool and import the image we edited in Photoshop. Click where the graphic image should be placed. Select Center and hit OK. Here's my star image. Step number 3. Select the Start graphic. Then, add the normal map that we downloaded and displacement map. Change the amount up to 2. The star pattern is ready to shine. To apply it to the back, drag the star pattern onto the back panel. Now let's render it to preview the final result. It looks clean, bright, and so professional. And guess what? You can do this on any part of your design, making it perfect for all your creative ideas. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.